Every child is born genius. But, till when? That's a $1,000,000 question. Until the unwitting parents start de-geniusing the innate potential of a child to make them an average. But the good news is that the parents can unlock their child's incredible abilities to develop the extraordinary athleticism, creativity, or intelligence. Here I am, your pregnancy and parenting coach, to let you navigate through this journey of parenting from the womb till the early years of your child's incredible growth. Do you want to know how? Well, when parents undergo training programs themselves, which are aimed at a wise investment of 5 to 10 minutes daily to help their babies develop their near photographic memory, superior mental math abilities, reading skills, first principle thinking, pitch perfect music skills, prolific oratory skills, and many other skills since conception. The best part is you need not expose your child to the damaging effects of showing them a mobile app or a computer screen, but can be achieved with simple home-based programs that parents can do on their own, provided they know about it. We at Shishupuram are committed to empowering every parent on their journey of raising the genius. Do join us on our knowledge sharing sessions and skill upgradation webinars. We all remember one famous sportsman or a topper in our class, yes or no, right? Do you know why? Why do we remember? It is not because of their genes, but because of their parents who knowingly, consciously developed their child's skills before synaptic pruning in their brain destroyed their abilities forever. Most of the parents unknowingly become a victim of synaptic pruning and hurt the genius of their child forever. With just a little bit of conscious parenting and starting early while expecting a baby, the parents have an once in a lifetime opportunity to help their child become polymath for life. What are you waiting for? Just click on the link mentioned and take your first chance to meet the expert Dr. Abhishek Pasari, your pregnancy and parenting coach, enhancing on the hows, whys, and whats of parenting. Every session, my dear, is a discovery in itself, but when you undergo the entire program, you will be successful in making your child successful. See you soon.